viewers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Sekorah Hayden. So today I'll be making a wig. So I have 3 bundles of hair, African mall hair in virgin hair. We got 3 bundles of hair. These are all 16 inches. I also do have the lace frontal in the 16 inches as well. So I'll be using these. So I'm going to be going in with the 40 developer.
And I'll put the shirt
also the BM2 bleach.
Okay, so put back on a TV.
Guys have a little mixing bowl, a tail comb. Make sure you guys have your thread, T-pins, a dome cap. I did get a silicone double-sided elastic band too, just in case, like if I want it tighter on my head. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. This is my first time making a wig. As well as I bought the Wig Growers Professional Caramel Frat.
It's coming.
So this one is pretty much when you're done bleaching your hair, you're gonna spray it all over the lace. So, okay. And then we did buy the canvas head from Amazon. It's a GEX canvas head. So we did buy this. It's a 22 to 20, I think 22 to 24. So we'll be using this as well. Okay, so first we're gonna start with bleaching the hair knots. And then we'll show you everything from there. Okay, so let's get this started. So right now we're gonna bleach the knots. If you guys see that right now, the knots are really dark. So we're gonna bleach those and make them less dark. Okay, so right now we're gonna go in with the W2, the bleaching powder. So I'm gonna put this whole cup in here. It might be a little much, but we'll put that. And then we're gonna go in with the 40 developer cream. Remember, you just want it to be really thick. Like it has to have a thick consistency. Okay, see, I need more developer because it's not as thick. It doesn't look like toothpaste. Okay, see, you see how nice and pasty that is? Let's see, but I'm probably gonna need more bleach. I should have gloves on for this, to be honest, but I forgot my gloves. Let's see. Don't. Okay, so I think this should do. It's nice and thick. Now we're gonna apply it onto the frontal. So I'm just gonna use this little spread to spread it on. Then I'm gonna go in with tin foil and leave it on for roughly 10 minutes or so. Okay, so now you can grab a tape measure, any type of tape measure, and just measure your head. So you're gonna measure from front to back and then side to side. So you measured 14 from the side, so 14 on the side, and from the front we measured 1 to 14. 1 to 14. So you're gonna go in with your pins, and you're gonna place one here in the front, and place one ear to ear on the side. You're gonna place one on this side too. And you can just go in with any marker and just do a dash. Okay. And then his head, to the side, to the side, and the back. Okay, so I'm done bleaching the hair. There's still some red knots there, or red dye from the bleach, but I'm gonna pluck it right now. So you're just gonna place it on the head where all your markers are. Okay, so now we're gonna pluck it. So I never plucked it before, so you're gonna make a part in the front. You're not gonna tweeze the front, you're gonna make a part and then tweeze behind the hairline. So let's see, this type of part, and we're gonna tweeze going back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with the Got to Be glue. I'm gonna spray it all over the lace because I am gonna dye the hair black. So I'm gonna spray it over the lace and then I'm gonna go in and blow dry it. In with the Got to Be spray twice. So I place it all over the lace front. Now I'm gonna go in with the Garnier Bell color. I'm gonna go in with all black, and I'm gonna start just dyeing the lace frontal, as well as I am gonna dye these 3 bundles. Okay, so I am gonna go in with my dome. Okay. Gonna line it up with the markers I put on it. There's one right here. Goes here. That goes here. That goes here. So it's gonna look just like that, guys. Just matching up with all the pink marker I got right there. Ear side. Other ear side, I think that one's a little shorter, but other ear side. And then the back. Go down. Okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna put my wig on. And my pink line is right here, so I'm just gonna go a little further down the pink line. And then I'm gonna needle everything in. This is my first time plucking, guys, too, so it's probably not the best, but that's how it looks. Okay, now we're just gonna pin down the back. Okay, now I did the T-pins all over from the back, the side, the front, and the side. So now I'm just going to sew it in.
Aja, why are you videotaping your first time?
I don't know.
You should videotape when you get the hang of it.
Nah. You can see how good I become.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how it's looking so far, guys. Okay. Okay guys, so I finished it all from this side to this side. Okay.
Evening.
Okay, so I'm pretty much done my whole frontal. I sewed it on, sewed the back. You guys can see the stitches, so I sewed it all. So right now I am gonna go in with the bundles that I got. So I am just going to do a single row on the bottom from the ear to the ear part. So I'm gonna do a single row on it. But I ain't gonna start doubling it until I'm a little bit like halfway in the middle. So I'll probably start doubling it right here. But I'm gonna do a single row from the bottom all the way up until the second big band. That's when I'll start doubling it. As you can tell, I have my face on, so it's a new day. So it's probably like a 3-day process right now. So once I'm gonna start braiding it in, and then once I'm done, I'll show you guys how it looks, okay?
Next morning.
Okay guys, this is like my 5th day doing this. One day I got makeup on, one day I don't, one day I'm just back with my bonnet. But yeah, so I'm pretty much almost done my wig. It's the first time making a wig. So this is how it looks so far. I have just up here to do. You guys can see it. So I did double most of them. And then now I'm just gonna go with singling it. But it's nice and full so far. So when it's done, I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done majority of my wig. So now since I'm getting to the top of the wig, I'm just gonna do single line. Well, I guess a single line of the weave, so it doesn't look too bulky. So I doubled the last couple of rows to get the fullness, and then the bottom was single, and then now the top is gonna be single as well. So let's just grab my T-pins and just stab this in here. Okay, so I'm pretty much done my wig now. So I'm gonna go to the front, to the top of my wig, and I'm just going to sew the lace and the last weft together so they look seamless. I'm just gonna make sure they're nice and tight. This is what I'm doing, just sewing these together. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with my wig. I am gonna go in with the Wig Guru. It's a tinting spray. So I'm gonna go in and spray just all over my lace. Instead of putting foundation on my lace, this is gonna match my, I guess my skin shade. I'm just gonna go dry it with the blow dryer and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go in with my elastic band. It's double-sided, so I am just gonna put it where the band ends right here. I'm just gonna add it to here and then sew it down like that, just so I have more room to stretch the cap out. So I'm gonna sew that on and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I sewed the elastic band on, so this is how it looks. I just sewed it right by the band in here. Okay guys, I am finally done my wig, so this is how it looks. I am just gonna cut it right now. I never really cut a hair before, so I'm gonna cut it. To have that ponytail, I'm gonna cut it just a nice blunt cut. But this is how it looks so far. The only thing I think I messed up on is that I plucked too much, so I do find some bald spots I have. But I think that will be fine for now. It's my first time and I think I kind of got the hang of it. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna cut it and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so this is the end look, how my wig looks. I even cut it myself to have it more like a blunt look. Yeah, I think I did a really good job. So if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And there will be more videos. Okay, bye guys.